Wow, dear brothers and sisters, ese waba wari uzi ko igihe bita present continuous dushobora kugikoresha mu buryo burenze bumwe? Wow, present continuous mbibukije ni cya gihe tujya dukoresha mu cyongereza kigaragaza igikorwa kirimo kuba aka kanya cyangwa se kiri kuba aka kanya, byaterwa n'akarere utuyemo n'uburyo uvuga mu kinyarwanda cyawe, kirimo kuba cyangwa kiri kuba. So rero present continuous mbibukije ifite formula ariyo iyi ngiyi muri gukora kuri screen. So tuba dufite ruhamwa tukagira inshinga nkene to be igizwe n'utuntu dutatu muri present, am, is na are. Hanyuma tugashiraho inshinga ifite inform twakuyeho to, inyuma tugashiraho icyuzuzo. Aha ni hano uvuga ngo I am learning English, I'm speaking English, I'm dancing, I'm eating. Ugaragaza igikorwa kirimo kuba aka kanya cyangwa se kiri kuba aka kanya, biterwa naho utuye, akarere urimo n'ikinyarwanda uvuga ko kimeze. So ushatse kuvuga iki? Ngiye kukwigisha ubundi buryo bwa kabiri wajya ukoresha iki gihe cya present continuous. Okay, mbibukije uyu mwanya ndi gukora iki? Ndimo kwigisha icyongereza cyangwa ndi kwigisha icyongereza. Navuga ngo I am teaching English. I am teaching English. I'm teaching English. I'm teaching English. Good. Hanyuma wowe urimo gukora iki? Uri kureba video. Uri kwiga icyongereza. Sibyo? Turavuga ngo you are learning English. You are learning English. Cyangwa se tuvuge ngo urimo kureba video y'icyongereza. You are watching an English video. You are watching an English video. You are watching an English video. Ni gutya tuya dukoresha present continuous tugaragaza igikorwa kirimo kuba cyangwa kiri kuba aka kanya. Okay. What is the second way that you can use the present continuous? Nubuhe buryo bwa kabiri wakoresha present continuous? Nigihe ushaka kugaragaza igikorwa kisanzwe kirugenda kiba akenshi. When you just want to express an action that is happening these days, every day. Ushaka kugaragaza igikorwa kirimo kuba buri munsi kigenda ku. Ejo bundi cyarabaye, ejo kiraba, uyu munsi kiraba, ejo kizaba, nejo bundi kigenda kiba. Wow. Wakoresha none present continuous. Ariko there is one more word you have to add. It's the word that is these days. These days. You may put this word at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. One more thing. Don't change the formula. We don't have to change anything. The formula remains the same. In addition, we add this word these days at the beginning or at the end of your phrase. Hanyuma ntago turi buze guhindura formula nani yayindi n'ubundi nabahaye yayindi usanzwe uzi, ahubwo turongeraho ijambo bita these days turishire imbere cyangwa inyuma. Dushaka kugaragaza igikorwa kiri kugenda kiba buri munsi. Urugero, sigaye nkunda kuryama cyane. Kuryamira, sigaye nkunda kuryamira cyane. Ariko tuvugana ntabwo ndi kubikora, ndi kwigisha murabibona. Ndavuga ngo I am oversleeping these days. I'm oversleeping these days. I'm oversleeping these days. I am oversleeping these days. Bivuze ngo muri iyi minsi ndimo kuryamira cyane. Ndi kuryamira cyane muri iyi minsi. I'm oversleeping these days. Ndimo kuryamira cyane muri iyi minsi. Okay. Ushobora kuvuga ngo mama wanje muri iyi minsi arimo gukorera amafaranga cyane, cyangwa mama wanje ari gukorera amafaranga cyane muri iyi minsi. Ubu ngubu wenda ari ibere no mu rusengero ari gusenga, ariko icyokora cyo gushaka amafaranga kirugenda kiba buri munsi. Turavuga ngo iki? My mother is making money hard these days. My mother is making money hard these days. Wow. Iki ni ikorwa kirugenda kiba buri munsi kuri mama wawe, ari kuyikora buri munsi, nubwo buno wasanga ari gukora ikindi gikorwa. Dear brothers and sisters, okay, so it is up to you actually to know about the present continuous. You don't have to use it only to express an action that is happening only just now. You may even use it to express an action that is happening every day. Okay, bano banje ntabwo ari ukwiye gukoresha present continuous ugaragaza ikorwa kiri kuba aka kanya gusa. Wanayikoresha ugaragaza ikorwa kiri kugenda kiba buri munsi kiba, hanyuma kifashisha ngo this